Good afternoon, everyone. I am Chinu, pursuing second sem BBA in the Gate Degree College. Today I am here to tell about community service project on waste management system. First of all, we will talk about what is waste. Waste is nothing but the thing which is not useful for us. Which comes after we use. We talk about waste management system. Waste management system is nothing but it is the system and strategy of where we dispose waste from our home locality and other areas, and how municipality people and collect waste in our area and disposes waste. Next is the types of waste management. There are 5 types of waste management. There are organic waste, hazardous waste, solid waste, liquid waste, and recyclable waste. First of all, we will learn about organic waste. Organic waste is nothing but the waste which comes from fertilizers and organic waste. Which is useful for humans. The waste will be also useful for us. This type of waste is organic waste. Next, we will see about hazardous waste. It is very harmful waste which comes from in the form of chemicals and hospitals wastages, and some waste can be going naughty, and it can mix it into some chemicals, and it will be very harmful for us. And we will see about solid waste. The solid waste is nothing but plastics, cell phones, and other physical products which were papers, etc. And next we will see about liquid waste. Liquid waste is nothing but fruits, vegetables, and other eatable substances. It can be comes under liquid waste. Recyclable waste. The recyclable waste is known as the waste which can be recycled and it can be useful for us. Next, we will move to the next slide. We will see about wet waste and dry waste. Wet waste is nothing but liquid waste. Wet and waste is divided into 2 types. One is wet waste and another one is dry waste. Wet waste, we cannot mix both wet waste and dry waste. If we mix both wet and dry waste means it may become hazardous waste, which is harmful for us. Sometimes we should always divide the wet waste and dry waste separately. And dry waste examples of dry waste is plastic, cardboard, rubbers, and food packaging materials, etc. Make sure that everywhere that wet and dry waste should be segregated separately. And in the waste management system, we have to learn about the Swachh Bharat mission. The Swachh Bharat mission was inaugurated by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the year 2014 on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti. And Swachh Bharat is a very cleanliness program which helps our India to make clean and tidy. And in the mission Swachh Bharat, many free public toilets were built, not to go outside. It will make our India pure and green. We will go to our questionnaires. In our project, we have surveyed in the waste management system. We surveyed in our locality, and I choose as my own locality in the survey. The Panchayati name is Oteru, and there we have asked some questions in the locality people about the waste management system based on about their waste collection system. First, we see question is we asked the questions are, do you have any awareness on waste collection system? 82% in our in the area are aware of waste management system, and 9% in the area where don't know about it. Does your area get mosquito gas every week? 35% of the people said they are getting the mosquito gas every week, and 56% said that they are not getting mosquito gas. It is very strange that mosquito gas should be provided in the area every week, as many very harmful diseases may occur due to if mosquito gas are not provided. It causes malaria and other deadly viruses. Are you aware of paying tax to sewage? 75% of the people they said that they are aware of paying tax. It is nothing but every municipality people will come every month. They will do all cleanliness activities in our locality, neighbor areas. So we need to pay some taxes to municipality people. 75% are aware of paying tax, and 31% are not, or don't know about the paying of sewage tax to the municipality people. Do you agree that uncleanliness is the reason for mosquitoes? 83% of the people said that they are aware of uncleanliness is the reason for mosquitoes. 13% said that uncleanliness is not the reason for mosquitoes. Next question: do you know the mission Swachh Bharat? 62% of the people said that they are aware of. They know that the Swachh Bharat mission, which was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and 33% said they have no idea on it. Did workers clean the manholes oftenly in your area? 50% of the people said that they will clean, the municipality people will clean their locality and manholes every week, and 37 people said that they are not responding properly, and 13% people have no idea on it. Do you dispose waste properly in dustbin? It is common that 71% are normally disposing their waste properly into the dustbin, and 24% of the people are not throwing the dust in the dustbin. They are not aware of cleanliness. What are the diseases that are caused through uncleanness? Uncleanness is the main reason for many kind of harmful diseases, such as dengue, malaria, and other harmful diseases. And 9% of the people said that dengue is the main diseases causes to uncleanness, and 15% of the people said malaria is the main reason for uncleanness. In the other survey, that 86% people said that both dengue and malaria are the harmful diseases that causes to uncleanness. Does the municipal corporation officers often visit your area to check cleanliness? 34. It is very strange that 30 out of 100 people, 34% of the people said that municipal commission will come to their area and check the cleanliness activities, and 50% of the people said that there are no municipal commission officer visits their area to check the cleanliness activities. It is very disgusting. Do you know the reasons for separation of wet waste and dry waste? Most of the people don't know why you want to separate waste and dry waste separately. It is very essential to separate wet and dry waste, as I explained earlier. What are the solutions for garbage cleaning? Public awareness. 33% of the people said that the public awareness should be there, and 30% of the people said that self-discipline is the main, and 64% said that both self-discipline and public awareness are the reasons for are the solutions. In the other questions, we asked that in which mode do we collect garbage? 11% of the people said that they will dispose waste in the buckets, and 19% of the people said that they will dispose waste from plastic bags, and 70% of the people uses dustbins. Do you know why we need to decrease plastic? 61% of the people said that they know that why they are disposing plastic, and 23% of the people said that they don't know about why we have to decrease usage of plastic. In our project we found many things about the cleanliness, and we suggested many points to the people in our area who don't know about cleanliness and other activities to spread. It is our responsibility of the people. It is the responsibility for us to educate everyone to know about the usage of cleanliness, and why you want to use organic manure, and why you want to reduce the usage of plastic. And segregating in our findings, segregating dry and wet waste by using different dustbins and covers which are provided by them. Basically, municipality of Tirupati provides many dustbins and other waste disposal methods to the people. But some people who are illiterate, they don't know about the waste, what the causes and main reasons for disposal of waste. Recycling and decomposing by own is, can be also provide the cleanliness and tidy in our area, and composting collection of wet drainage and sewage converted into useful organic plants and fertile their land maintenance. There are three types of hours that every person should follow for cleanliness, which is reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reduce means we have to reduce the usage of plastics because if we not reduce the usage of plastic contains many years to decompose into the soil, so it may affect our future generation also. So please reduce the usage of plastic. And next one, second R is reuse. Reuse is also must do activities for every people. If once they use plastic and they have to try maximum to reuse again for this other activity, they should not consume extra plastic. Newly consumed plastic, as we want to reuse the used plastic only. Now, and next R is recycle. Recycle is the main output that should be done by for cultivation of waste. And recycling the matter, and we will go to conclusion. We conclude that accumulating properly disposal waste amongst everyone, and the future generation should be clean and tidy, and they have to learn from us. And so our country is our identity. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I thank my principal for giving me such